friends. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you are not new here. And if you are new here, my name is Julie and I'm the author of the blog CapturingWonderland.com. I have a really fun project that I want to share with you today. It is all about using what you have to create holiday decor. Basically, this time I am using what I can find outdoors, bringing nature in to create this beautiful, spooky / whimsical Halloween twig tree. So let us get into the entire process. It was actually really easy. I was kind of intimidated though, because sometimes you have this vision in your head and you're not entirely sure how it's going to unfold. You just kind of have to get into it and experiment, and that's what I did. And it definitely did not turn out anywhere like I was thinking in my head, but I still absolutely love it. I think it actually turned out better than what I imagined. And I'm not actually done with it. So when I come into the dining room later on in the beginning of October to decorate for the full Sleepy Hollow theme in here, I will be going into more detail on the tree. But this video is just about making the tree. So without further ado, let us get into all of the details about how I created this Halloween twig tree. So basically this is just an experimental process because I actually have no idea what I'm doing. I have an idea, but I'm not really sure if it'll work, how I'm thinking it's going to work. So I'm kind of just winging it. I've got these branches and I'm thinking if I drill some holes in them, I could put other little twigs out from it to make it look like an actual tree. Very experimental. I have never done this before and I'm not entirely sure how it's going to turn out, but I guess we shall see, shall we not? I thought it was a cool idea anyway, so let's get to work on this. I think I should probably just start with one. Maybe I'll just start with one and go from there and see how we feel about it. We'll see. I'm thinking this looks really stupid. So my next plan is to go foraging for tiny trees and try to turn them into this instead of that. So I obviously got several trees, one of them being a very large one, which is awesome. I can go on my porch. The biggest one is quite a bit taller than I am, so it's maybe 9 feet tall, 8.5 feet tall, somewhere around there, so really good size. And then I got some smaller ones. These, which I really like. And then I got some like this that I really like. So I'm gonna start by evening out the trunk so that I can then attach them to a base. Thinking I might need to do a cross leg out on either side to give it extra stability. I'll probably connect them with my Craig jig out the side. Or maybe if I cut them short enough, I won't need to. Let's see. The nice thing about having so much scrap. Alright. Makeshift, but what do you want for some outdoor decorations? It'll work. I'm sure with a little bit more time and actually like attempting to make this better, I definitely could, but I'm fine with it. I doubt it's gonna last more than one season anyway, so it works. And I'm gonna use a little bit of black spray paint on them, so that's gonna be fun. I'm not messing around with these trees. I got some 4-inch screws now. Ah! This would be much easier if you have somebody else to help you. Stay. The vision is coming alive. Yeah, I like using the logs for the base of this because obviously that looks more natural, and then when I cover it with moss, it will look even better. So maybe that's what I can do with the other ones actually. I like it. Not many people would probably have an entire tree in their dining room, but I think it looks really cool in here. And it's gonna look even cooler when I get some decorations on it. I've been thinking about maybe stringing some nylon string and hanging some bats from it. The other thought would be leaves. I don't know. You could probably tell me what you think. Like, give me some of your ideas. I'm down for some ideas. I'm not sure if I'll do fake spider webs on this one. I'm pretty sure I'll do the ones that are going in the front. But I don't know. I kind of just like this the way that it is. Give me an idea. Maybe I'll find a fake crow and kind of perch it right over here. That would be kind of cool. Be very Sleepy Hollow-ish. But anyway, that's this one. This one is done pretty much. I mean, I like it as is, so I don't have to do anything else with it, but I always feel like I go a little bit extra anyway. But yeah, I'm really happy with how this turned out. I think this was the perfect tree. It really just perfectly fits in my ceiling. So let's go finish the other ones. I am giving them a light coating of black spray paint just to make them look extra spooky, also because some of them have quite a bit of green left on them. Not leaves, but just because, you know, they're still a living tree. Well, they were until I chopped them down at least. But yeah, I kind of like the idea of giving them a fresh coat of some black spray paint. Let's see what we can do with this one. Gotten some of that Spanish moss. Okay, as you can see, this has a quite not so pretty base. I don't really care about how pretty the base is, but I don't want it to like stick out. Obviously, I would like it to appear more like it's actually a part of nature. So what I'm going to do is I have this Spanish moss from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna use my hot glue gun and just glue some Spanish moss around this to try to make it look more like it's actually a part of nature. So we'll see how this goes. So I like what I've done here. And also I discovered you can make some really cool like spider web type things with the glue gun glue. Looks kind of cool. You probably can't see it very well, but I'm also wondering if I could make a spider web on something else and then peel it off and kind of put it in here. I'm gonna think about that and then probably have that a part of my Halloween decorating video. because I think that would be really cool if I could work that out. Obviously, I don't think that this would work for like long term, so it might be something you do right before Halloween, because I think that they act very much like spider webs, so they just kind of come off. So I wouldn't be surprised if they would blow off in the wind or stuff like that. So might not be like, I don't know. It looks really cool though. I'm going to show you a close-up. It's really hard to see the little strings because, oh, there it is. My camera doesn't really want to focus on them, but you can kind of see them there. So anyway, I like how the base went. If you wanted to use something to make it more round, you could definitely do that. And I think it would look really cool. Thank you so much, guys, for watching all the way through. If you have made it this far, I really had fun with this project. I think it's a great way to not spend any money and get a really cool spooky effect in your house and even on your porch, which is where these guys are going. I have like 3 more trees and a couple of other cool driftwood pieces that I'm going to turn into some porch decor as well. But this is all that I'm gonna do for this video. Again, thanks so much, guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this kind of content, and subscribe if you want to be a part of this community here at Capturing Wonderland. And you like this type of video where I'm showing you how to not spend any money if you don't want to, and how to get really inexpensive or free decorations for holidays and everything else. Basically just how to have fun crafting and creating your own really unique decor for Halloween. More videos coming soon. Thanks again, guys. Bye.